Let's eat, guys.
Hi. What's that sisig?
Mm.
Mama?
Mm.
What is that sisig?
Sisig means they cut it into small pieces. And then they put onion, calamansi.
I mean, what is the spicy sisig?
There's a spicy and not spicy.
I can see in the chunky. Chunky.
Mm. This one is new.
Yeah.
Mm.
Ah.
Mm. Yung American chef, very hard. What?
Pwede.
Ano ko tato ba? Taha.
I'm how many subscribers na? It's later.
Mm.
883 are almost 90 now. It is already 8 o'clock. They have cheese.
Mm.
I like the hot dog with the
Did I give you?
cheese.
You want?
먹나?
Papa? 케첩, 나 케첩 핫도그랑 같이 먹고 싶은데 케첩이 없어.
이거
있어? 땡큐.
네.
Aray. You paltok that. Pero,
맞아요, 김선선 아빠 좀 깎아라 김선선.
어디 먹을까? 야. 됐다.
케첩이 또 있었어? 대박. 그만. 그만.
됐어?
네.
그거 먹으려고 그랬던 거야?
Mommy, what this one called the hot dog?
mm,
What's this one called? Mama?
cold.
The hot dog, what is called?
CDO.
Udon?
Mm.
Is new the hot dog, this one? Hmm.